Hi, today we are going to see next lead code problem, which is delete columns to make sorted. Now, in this problem, we will be given a string, a string of length n. Now, one more important thing given is the size of each word in this string will be same. They are saying the size of each word in this string is same. Now, what we have to do is we have to delete the columns. We have to delete the columns which are not following some properties. What are those properties? What are those properties? Let's see. You can see here in this given example, see, this is the first case. First see, this is the 0th index, this is the first index, and this is the second index. Now, this first character of this word A, here A, see this, and this first character of this word, and this first character of this word C, A, A, B, and C. You can see they are increasing lexicographically, means they are following the increasing property of the characters. See here, B is greater than A, C is greater than B, so it is okay. Now see another example. Here B, second character is what? B here. Here second character is C. Here second character is A. C, here B, then C, and then A. As we are moving, see one thing, as we are moving forward, here we are getting A. A is smaller than C and B also. So it should not be there. So we have to delete this column. This is like a column. Here you can see here. This is in the column B, C, A. Here B, here C, here A. So we have to delete, means we will consider or we will count as a answer this column because this column is not following the property according to the question. So which answer will be correct if the characters are in increasing order? As for example, if the next character is equal to the previous character, or if the next character is greater than the previous character, then the answer will be correct. And this property should be followed whole in the whole string for all the words. As for example, see here, one more example, see here. As we will go below, or as we are going down, you can see s- this B is greater than A, this C is greater than B, so it is okay. 0th column is okay. Now, wait, see this. Next, come to this third column, or you can say 0th column, first column, and second column. C, E, E. E is greater than C, and this E is greater than this E is equal to E. So, as we are moving forward, the next character should be equal to or greater than the previous one. These two characters, E and E, are greater than or equal to C in second column. In first column, see here. Is A greater than C? No. A is not greater than C. So this is the wrong. So this column we have to delete it. Now come to the 0th column. Here C. C is greater than B. B is greater than A. So it is correct. Similarly, come to this example. You can see here C, here D, here C. C, D, and G. All these three characters are in increasing order. G is greater than D, D is greater than C. So it is, so 0th column is okay. Why I am saying 0th column? See here, if we arrange them in this order, then see here, C is greater than D, D is greater than G. It is correct. Now come to the first column B. B is here B. A should be greater than B, but here A is a smaller than B. Means here whatever the character we have to place here, it should be greater than this, but it is a smaller. So this is wrong. So we will delete first column. Now come to the second column. F is greater than A and I is greater than F. I is greater than F and F is greater than I. So this column is correct. And you can see here column 0 and column 2 are sorted, but column 1 is not sorted. Why? Because here we have A which is smaller than B. That is not true. Whatever the character should means if here it is wrong. A is smaller than B. This is the reason it is wrong. If any character, if I write any character here which is B or greater than B, then it will be correct. But here they have given A, this is the reason it is wrong. So I hope the answer the question should be clear to everyone. And now let's see what is the code for this. Here you can see I have first find out the length of the string. Length of strs means given array is strs. So to find the length, I have used n equal to length of strs. Now, since they have given the size of each word is of same length, so here I am finding size of one word. So I have taken 0th word size, finding 0th word size. So I am storing in variable s length. Answer equal to 0. That will return the answer. For loop, first I will go to what? Since this the size of each word is fixed, so I am taking it as a in this for loop here fixed size word, fixed size. Now I will go for each word. For j, this for loop will go for each word. This for loop will go to uh, this for loop will go to character wise. First I will select this character. Let's assume this character 0th character and 0th character of first word, 0th character of this word, 0th character of this word, 0th character of this word. So I will check them, and I am checking how strs of j comma I. J comma I means initially j is 1 and I is 0. J is 1 means what? This is 0, this is 1 and this is 2. J1 I is 0. So go to the first word and 0th character. First word 0th character should be greater than or equal to this strs of j minus 1 comma I. It means first character of 0th word j minus 1. If my j is here, if my j is here, this is j, then j minus 1 will be what? This. So I am checking first character of both the word. I am comparing. I am comparing first character of both the word. Now, the first character of this word should be greater than or equal to first character of this word. If it is true, then continue, don't do anything. As it will be wrong, increase the answer. Here I am increasing the answer and then break it. And then I have written break. Why break? Means come out if the character if the character is not means if the character is not greater than the previous one or equal to the previous one, then count the answer because I have to delete it and break, come out of this loop and again go for the next character. Now what output we have to show? We have to just show the count, how many columns I have to delete. So I am just counting here. I have used one variable answer and I am incrementing it, and at the end I will return this. Now let's see time complexity and space complexity. What will be the time complexity? Since I am going to each word and for in each word for each character, so time complexity will be n into s length, because here I have find out n and s length, and the space complexity will be big O upon, because I am using only two or three variables, so that will be counted as constant. So the space complexity will be this. So this is the code that is easy. So okay, bye.